Hi guys, so today's kind of a quick follow-up and also letting you know I am throwing in the towel, so to speak, on making my kombucha. I just have so much kombucha. There's at least 40, maybe 45 bottles in the fridge. Takes up a lot of space. So until we catch up drinking that, I've already stopped making my jun, and I'll link at the end of the video, maybe in the description box, the tutorials on how to make jun, or jun, well, it's jun, which is the honey and green tea kombucha, and then this is regular kombucha, which I always made with black tea and a little bit of green tea and sugar. It just, I still have Jamaica here, which are hibiscus blossoms and all that, to make hibiscus tea or kombucha. I mean, I have all my stuff here still, obviously, because this is my little operation. Look at all these bottles. I just haven't been making it. I'm like, this is too much. But what I wanted to do in this follow-up was just to show you that I began this kombucha by making my own SCOBY out of GT's original kombucha, right? Not flavored, just their plain old kombucha, just a small bottle. It has like 2 cups of liquid in it. And I made the review or tutorial on that. And this has been legitimate 1 full year. And this thing is still going strong. Now you can see there's different SCOBYs in there because they build up. And sometimes you can take them out. I have left this go for probably a month now. So this is probably vinegar. I'm just gonna stop making it. I might make a SCOBY hotel, but it was easy enough to just go ahead and make. I mean, it's still acting. Look at that. Maybe it's not even vinegar yet because it's still eating up something. Look at it with the bubbles. But it's just too much, and and especially with summer coming up or spring, it's gonna start making itself faster, right? It's gonna be ready faster because it's a little bit warmer and all that. So I'm just like, it's too much. But I just want to show you that this thing is still going strong. It's been a year with the SCOBY, and people say, especially like companies that sell SCOBYs, they're like, oh, you don't want to do that because it's gonna get weak, or it's gonna stop doing its thing, or because they want to sell you their SCOBY, but like, this thing is perfectly great. It made great kombucha consistently. It's just, I'm kind of over it right now, a year into it. So if I wanted to kick it up again, maybe later in the summer, I'll just make another batch, starting it with my GT's plain original flavor kombucha and go from there, because it worked perfectly. And I know there's a lot of videos out there on how to do that, but nobody really follows up. So I just want to show you guys that it still works. It's great. I mean, look at this thing. I know it's gross because it's a SCOBY, but it's not the best looking thing. But look at all this. And again, great flavor kombucha, and just pretty much I was making it weekly, every 7 to 10 days. So it's kind of a bummer to give up, but at the same time, I just have too much, and there's too much in my fridge, and I keep having to just dump it instead of actually making a second fermented batch with the flavors. I just like, okay, I make a few bottles and I dump the rest of it. So I'm gonna give it a break for now, but I did want to follow up with you guys, especially people who are interested in making kombucha now, that might see that, hey, you know what, you can use the GTs. It's a couple bucks for the first bottle, and you're gonna make kombucha every week. At least if you do the gallon like this, you're gonna get 7-8 bottles, and it's gonna cost you like $1.20 for all those, so it's really good. So if even that expensive, think about it. It's just a few, tablespoons of tea, and then like a cup of sugar, and then your water. So it's actually less than $1. It really is. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.